Given the preparations made last week, it was no great surprise on Monday morning to see gravel begin to arrive. It would prove to be the dominant theme for the whole week. To see just how much progress was made, you'll have to wait to the end. But you won't be disappointed. As the light faded from the sky, the scale of the effort became really clear. Tuesday produced a really unwelcome surprise. Work was noted around the excavation beside Ontario Street, but the gravel rolled on. A visit at dawn on Wednesday confirmed that operations were running 24 hours a day. The lights on the excavator dance across the gravel. In full daylight, the progress is clearly visible. Attention is briefly torn away to watch the departure of the storage box used by Priestley. There's another minor distraction as electricians repair a broken light on the temporary dolphin. Attention is also drawn to the installation of two improvised fenders on the corner of the north finger dock. There's also activity of an undetermined nature further up that dock. But the focus of attention, of course, continues to be the gravel infill work. Thursday, along with a bit of levelling work, sees the pattern repeated pretty much as before. Considerable progress has clearly been made. Engaging more trucks in the delivery of gravel has had positive benefits. With everything going very well, it's time to turn attention to refining areas. At the extension's far end, you sense completion nearing. But work will continue into the night. This view at night puts the scale of the extension into perspective against the whole project. Everything, it seems, went very well, because the next morning the big excavator is being removed. As it departs, we can see what it achieved over just 4.5 days. What now lies ahead is already being discussed up beside Ontario Street, where representatives of the pile driving company Solitonche Bachi are meeting GIP, examining the whole site. Meanwhile, work goes on to enhance and improve the access for the equipment to come. If you find these updates informative and helpful, then a subscription would be really appreciated and encouraging. In the meantime, thanks for watching.